at downtown. You can already see what we're starting to see out there. Some sunshine mixed with a few clouds, and that's what we're picking up. Sitting around 55 degrees right now, and some breezy winds out of the southwest at 15 miles an hour. But the good news is there's no wind chill on here, and that's what we don't want. This is all because we have this low pressure system that's sitting above us, a high just below us, and in between here we're getting some of those gusty winds thanks to a nice low level jet, and that's causing us to pick up some big wind gust. You can already see we did have earlier some wind advisories that were in effect all the way into around 6 o'clock, but we finally were able to drop them off. They're no longer here, but those gusty winds are still here though. Just look at this, 30 miles an hour here in Rockford. You see those pair of 20s in Freeport and Rochelle, and you can already see some of these are starting to go down. Look at this wind gust down here in Dixon, around 6 miles an hour. So we're going to see that continue to go down, but just look at some of the places just farther to our north. Look at these wind chills up there. Around 33 degrees is what it feels like there in Monroe. While we're still sitting in our 50s, we're going to start to see some of that drop down here a little bit later into the day, along with the chance for some rain. Now take a look at satellite and radar. This is what we're dealing with currently. We're still pretty quiet right now, getting a mix of that cloud coverage and some of that sunshine out there, but you can already see this line of showers that's just starting up here through Madison and going all the way down to Iowa. And I know you're keeping your eyes on that blue spot right over there. You are seeing a bit of snow kind of mixing in some of these spots right now, but is that going to be making it to us? Now here's Future Track showing you what we're going to be dealing with going on into the rest of the day. So 6:30 this evening, you can see that we're still mainly going to have that cloud coverage in the area, but then around 9 o'clock you see some of this starts to mix down into our area where you see some of those lighter showers trying to pop up along the state line. That's going to continue through the rest of the night where places like Rockford are going to be seeing some of that rain and even some places a little bit further south. But look, below I-88 it seems like your mainly going to be dry, probably getting some cloud coverage there throughout the night, but not going to be bad through overall. Now look at this, going on into Sunday morning, still keeping the chance for some lighter showers, but notice what you don't see. Here's Future Track snowfall showing you the good news. You don't see any snow here on our map, mainly keeping that further to the north. We're mainly going to be dealing with our rain showers a little bit later into the day. So overall for tonight, we're going to be sitting around 30 degrees. Chance for showers. It's going to be breezy and chilly for tonight with that temperature. Then we're going to sit around tomorrow, 48 degrees for our high temperature. We're going to have some early showers. Then it's going to be cold and still windy with the wind gust going all the way up to 25 miles an hour. So I want to show you a little bit of this. As we head into Sunday, you see that our wind chills don't really get out of much out of the 40s, but then as we head into the night, that's when they start to drop down even more as we start to hit down toward the 20s for Sunday morning. Look at this, 27 degrees for a wind chill in Rockford, 26 in Freeport, and a 28 in Rochelle. So it's going to be a cool one as we head out for tomorrow, but then things do get a little bit better. As you see, those high temperatures do start to increase just a little bit. Look at Monday, 52 degrees, 57 on Tuesday, but that's when those showers come right back in. But then we're staying in that 50-degree range and that 60-degree range all the way by Friday. Back to you, Lauren.